Good afternoon, tutor and mates. My name is Estela. I am 56 years old. I'm from San Martin, Meta. I am mother of 3 sons, men. I like play basketball, walk, dancing, sometimes table games. About food, I prefer seafood. I am a funny person. I like to listen ancient music. Continuing with activity, writing tax forum. Stay 1, Unit 1.4, going on a trip. On my last trip to the United States, during the 15 days of my stay there, enjoyed some splendid sunny days in the city of Washington. You can also visit the border with Canada in the company of friends and family and enjoy a wonderful cloud and windy weather in the Lake Newport, suitable for making bonfires. In addition to these beautiful landscapes and vegetation, I love Newport Lake and the favorable coast. Weather and recommendation. B. During this time, sunny days are enjoyed in the city of Washington, while in Newport in the afternoon it becomes cloudy. C. It is recommended to use a blocker and have a cup on hand when there are temperatures change. Activity 2. Stage 2, Unit 1.3. Was the weather like? Problem 1. What should children do when there is a thunderstorm? Solution. When there is a thunderstorm, it is important that children not go outside. Problem 2. What should people do when it is sunny? When it is sunny, people should protect themselves against the sun rays. Problem 3. What should you do when it is windy? Close and secure all doors and windows. Problem 4. What should city officials do when a hurricane is coming? Alert citizens and evacuate people to safe place. Problem 5. What should we do when there is a blizzard? Stay locked in a warm, dry, and mysterious environment. Problem 6. What should school do when it is extremely warm? It is essential that you hydrate permanently even before you get thirsty. Problem 7. What should they do when it is cold? Wear appropriate clothing. Avoid sudden change in temperature and draft. Stage 3. Unit 1.2. You should keep your passport. Check affirmative. Have a valid passport. Have a valid current visa. Carry the currency of the country. Check negatives. Do not carry excess baggage. Do not carry vegetable foods. do not carry meat food. Check infirmary. You should have a valid passport. You ought to have a valid currency visa. You should carry the currency of the country. Check negative. You should not carry excess baggage. You ought not to carry vegetable foods. You ought not to carry meat food. Thank you. A. During the visit, you should have had very fun, enjoy the weather in the summer season, enjoy regional cuisine, and visit tourist sites in the United States. B. During the visit, you should have better, should not abuse the sun or the cold to avoid health complications. Since you are in a strange country,